Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating a recipe that I found on Pinterest while I was scrolling, and it was raspberry swirl cookies. I will put the recipe here, or the ingredients to the recipe, in case any of you guys want to try it, except I made it my own way. I don't have raspberries, so I made it with strawberries. And before I forget, I want to thank you guys for 109 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and it really means a lot to me. Trying to peacefully record this video, and my camera just notified me that there was somebody walking in front of our door, and it was the guy that's half naked. Currently the cookie dough that I rolled out is in the fridge, because as you guys can tell, whatever that is that I just showed you, that's not how it's supposed to look. I just cut this little piece off from the dough that was sitting in the fridge, and I would definitely say it was easier to cut, but it's still, now it just looks floppy, so I'm gonna fix it. Like, this was gonna be originally where I was gonna film my introduction, until I realized I have to duck all the way down. I can't find my tripod.